Stop worrying about homework and start learning with confidence. This is Ask Learn. Complete help for every subject. Like, share, subscribe for daily learning videos.
So now we're going to work on problem 97 from chapter 8. In this problem, we are told about sodium carbonate, how it's added to laundry detergents to soften hard water, which usually contains calcium and magnesium, and it makes the detergent more effective. So if we have a detergent mixture, which is designed to soften hard water that has a certain concentration of calcium and magnesium, and we're told some parameters about the washing machine. 0.65 kilograms detergent is required for a load of laundry. What percentage of this detergent should be sodium carbonate so that the calcium and magnesium can precipitate? So first, we're given 19.5 gallons, so we can convert that to liters. 19.5 gallons is the load of wash. So we know that there's 3.785 liters per 1 gallon. And the concentration of calcium, which we're given, is 3.5 times 10 to the negative 3 moles of calcium 2 plus per 1 liter. And so from this we get moles of calcium, which is 0.258 moles of calcium in a typical load of laundry or washer machine at this size. So we do the same thing for magnesium now, 19.5 grams times 3.785 liters per gallon. Then we have 1.1 times 10 to the minus 3 moles of magnesium per liter. And now we get 0.0812 moles of magnesium. So this is the moles of these ions that we have. So we can combine them because they react with carbonate in the exact same way. So we have 0.3392 moles once we add them of these ions. And so we can convert from moles of ions to moles of carbonate. Now they both have a plus, or they both have an absolute value charge of 2, so they combine in a 1-to-1 ratio. Now for every mole of carbonate, there's 1 mole of sodium carbonate. Now we have moles of sodium carbonate, so we can simply multiply by the molar mass, which is 106.01 grams per mole. And then we can convert from grams to kilograms because the vast value we're given is in kilograms. So this gives a value of 0.03596 kilograms. So that's how much sodium carbonate is needed. But we need to know the percentage of sodium carbonate. So we put the mass of sodium carbonate, which is 0.03596 kilograms, and we divide by the total mass of laundry detergent, which is 0.65 kilograms. And then we actually multiply by 100 since we're looking for a percentage. And the value which we get is 5.5% sodium carbonate.